everybody. Today we are gonna make a shopping list for pizza. Maya, where's the thing?
The pizza.
Don't worry about it. We got it under control.
Okay, we have these boards to make the list.
Okay.
Now, so first we need tomato sauce. We need we need tomato sauce. We need dough.
Well, that's how you make dough. Good job, Akila.
Oh, great job. We need flour and dough. Then that's how you make the dough. And then we need toppings. That's all we need.
So you said flour. How about you list the things? Because I've already forgotten what you said.
Okay.
And love.
And love? We need love too, Akila?
Yes, we need love to make the pizza good.
I love it, Akila. Good job.
Good. How do you spell flour?
You want to spell it or do you want to draw it?
I ain't drawing.
Okay.
Akila's like drawing something else.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
got the pizza.
She said she drawing pizza. I love it.
Okay.
She drew her circle.
Flour.
She's doing good.
Flour's white,
Flour is white.
but I need a white.
Oh, we don't have white chalk? It's
No.
okay. Just draw a picture.
Oh,
What happened?
my crayon broke.
Okay, it's okay.
But
And
it's
not a crayon.
so tiny.
It's not a crayon. What is that?
It's too tiny.
What is it that you have in your hand?
Chalk,
Thank you.
but it's so
But
tiny.
it's still functional, correct?
I know, but it's still tiny.
So what's the next ingredient?
Next ingredient, we need tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Tomato sauce is red.
Okay. But perhaps you can just draw some tomatoes for us?
Ew!
What's the tomato sauce?
Not tomato sauce. You trying to say sauce?
No. You said tomato sauce.
No. I was just saying, perhaps you can draw tomatoes for us.
Mommy,
That's what I was saying.
But how do you draw tomatoes? Oh, a circle.
And what?
I see it, Akila.
And then something sticks on there.
I on it.
You put some eyes on it, okay?
Then I need a nose.
Oh, now you need to draw those.
Then I need 2 noses.
2 noses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Apple.
We got tomatoes. We got flour. Now we need the last thing. The last thing is toppings.
Okay, so can you illustrate some of the toppings that you like?
Like sausage. Like we like shrimp.
Ew.
We like fish on toppings. And that's it.
And do you believe that that is the only ingredients you need?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I think you forgot the main thing.
What's the main thing?
Yeah.
Love.
Well, that's important too. But what's the main thing that's on a pizza?
You need tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. But what's on top?
Toppings.
Toppings and what else?
Cheese.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Oh God, we forgot the cheese, a kilo.
I don't make a salad. I don't make a salad.
Making a salad?
A salad. But still able to color.
All right, so we have all of our ingredients.
Yeah, I got to make a circle so all the ingredients fall. We're all done.
We're all done?
Yes.
Okay.
Not me.
Bye, everybody. Subscribe. I love y'all out there.
All right.